closed and locked. Parking brake set, flight controls free and correct. Elevator trim up. Okay. Flight instrument set, free and correct. Flight instrument set 1, 2, and more south side of 210. Fuel selector on both. Mixture full rich. Rudder trim for takeoff. Run up. Suction good, instruments in the green, and pull back. Mags checked, prop cycled, carb heat was checked, instruments and diameter were good, suction was good, radio set for takeoff, autopilot off, flashing beacon on, else, and friction lock adjust. We're ready for this ride. Okay, off we go. Brooks County traffic, Skylane 735, Echo Uniform taking runway 14 to the west, Brooks County. Okay, make sure, double check everything. Clear on approach. Go to number 5. 10 of flaps. And full rich. Everything's good and centered. Do it both. And let's go. Rotate at 60.